Hey guys, so here is another video about useful tools for digital marketers. This time I will be showing you Google Web Designer. I found this tool recently, although it's in existence for quite some time now, but here is what I'm using it for. So these super fancy display banners that have motion and effects in them. I found that banner blindness is a real thing, and people most of the time don't even see the banners on the website. So having something that will pop out and that will try to grab your attention is very useful. So in order to create this type of banner designs, we need tool like Google Web Designer. Since I'm not very good at programming and coding, this is what I'll be using. So first what you need to do is, of course, design your banners. So I do it in Figma. It's funny looking design for this opportunity. So Google Web Designer, I'll leave a link below so you can go to the website and download it. You need to download and install it on your computer. So here is how it looks like. Once you open it, it has several features right at the start. So you can use templates. There are dynamic remarketing for Google Ads, pretty cool. Also a few more quite useful templates, but for purposes of this video, let's go with creating a new file. Let's call it demo file. Environment is going to be Google Ads. This is one of the most common dimensions that we use for Google Ad banners. There are quite a few more. Actually, this is all of the most popular dimensions, so you can start with one and then go through all of them in your design, or select just the ones that you want to use. Responsive layouts, let's leave it out for now. Also, let's leave it to quick animation mode. So here is our banner. Right now it's empty. What we need to do is go to library on the right and upload all of our assets. So let me try and scale this thing up a bit. No. Yeah, great. So let's move it right. So what we need to do is add background. Let's put it at 0, 0. This is a blue section. Text on the bottom. Yes, so let me try to do this quickly. And okay, this one goes here. You can select position of each, so I can go totally below, I can go up, go one position down. You can position of each element, sorry. So that was head, yeah, text, and we need this guy and this guy. So I'll do my best to do it fast and do it good, but that's not always going to be the case. So let's do something like this. Move the head section up here, try to set the middle. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it This should be good enough for purpose of this demonstration. Let me put this back. Next thing we need to do is go here and select our timeline. So first thing that you'd want to do is lock the background. Yeah, all of the assets that I imported are PNGs, so they have transparent backgrounds and we can use them here. Okay, this guy isn't working as well, so okay, something like that. So like I said, lock the background so it wouldn't move, and now we can select animations that we want to use. So for instance, let's go with inserting keyframe for blue component. So what we need to do is go to beginning and put blue component here, go to the end frame, put it here. So yeah, now when I press play, you see it just appears in the window. So the same goes for red component. So let me just first get it to red, 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 red. Yep. Insert keyframe. So we'd like the red one to appear before the blue one. So let's move the blue guy for one position, put the red one here, and first position for red will be out of the frame, and then we want him right there. Okay, so let's go with gray. Gray we want to appear before either of those two, so let's go with gray being below and ending up in the correct position, and the yellow will appear last. Yep. And yellow can start from this position and end up finishing the design. Okay, so there are a few more things that we can do. Also interesting, we can go with make Google Web Designer appear from nowhere. So insert keyframe, go to properties and select 0. Sorry, so we need to be at 1 here and at 0 in the first keyframe. So it will appear. Also, what we can do is learn how to use, yep, it's here. Let's enter keyframe. Actually, let's enter several keyframes. So let's do it like this. Yep. So first position, it's going to be 0. Second position, let's get it to 1. Third position, let's get it to 1.5. Also, let's bring it forward. Yep. Okay, so next, last one was 1.5. Let's go back to 1, go back to 1.5, 1, 1.5, and let's add another keyframe, getting us back to original. So let's push play, and this is how that looks like. Yeah, as you can see, I messed up the design a bit, but you get the gist of it. It's rather easy to use. We can go and see preview of it. Yeah, so let me just move my head down, and so after that you can go and publish it and save it locally or to your Google Drive and use it in your display campaigns. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. There are a few more things that you can do here. You can add galleries, so you can have moving images across your ad. You can add parallax effect. You can add you can add yeah, 360 galleries, add buttons here. This is the one of the simplest way that you can do the one that I showed you, but I think it looks pretty cool and it gives you a lot opportunity to learn how to do it and develop. So one also important thing when you're publishing it, always make sure that your compressed size is below 150 kilobytes, as that's the limit for Google Ads. Yeah, let me just save it, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see you in a new video shortly. Bye bye.